Hello, and welcome to Levity HR and Payroll's web series on preparing for the new UI conversion. Today we're going to go and take a quick look at hiring a new employee from within the new interface, starting from our landing page in the processing payroll screen. So from here, we're just going to pull up our employee information page, which is accessed by pulling open the side menu panel over here, jumping down into the My Team tab, into My Team, Employee Information. And then once this page loads, we're going to have a small blue button bar up over here, and we're going to have the option to hire a new employee. So we're going to go ahead and click that and get started over here. So once this loads, we're greeted with a wizard-style setup interface. The first part of this process is the personal information stage. This top section here, the employee's ID, username, and password, will automatically be generated by the system and is safe to ignore. The only information that's crucial that you enter here is the employee's first and last name. Like so. So we're going to hit the blue continue button, which is going to bring us down onto the next step. Here we're going to key in the employee's address. For this example, we'll use the main office address for Levity HR and Payroll. And then the city and state will automatically populate based on the zip code, as well as a social security number for our employee, as well as the option to add an email associated with the employee that I highly suggest you complete if your employee has an email address. We'll go ahead and continue again on to the next step. And here we have to set our employee's base compensation. From here, we're going to click the plus sign icon with the add button over here on the side and key in the employee's amount to be earned. We'll pay our example employee $15 per hour, save, and continue. On the tax stage, we have a couple different options. We have to switch the table between federal and state and do the same thing here by clicking on the add icon. Select whether or not you're using the 2020 version of the Form W-4 and complete the form accordingly. Then tab over into state and likewise complete the state field. Save and continue. And the other settings section is more or less our final section. This is where we're setting all of the profile information for our employee, what their accruals should be like, whether they're hourly or salary is controlled by both of these options here. The security access that this employee has available to them is also selected here, as well as what type of timesheet they have and any additional required fields that are required by your company. In our example, we require a cost center selection. So I'm going to go ahead and click Browse, select our cost center, and then key in my employee's start date. Continue brings us to the final landing page on this page, which is usually always locked down. There's never really anything to be done on this page, so we're just going to go ahead and breeze forward and click Add Employee. And once the system is finished processing, it'll redirect us to the employee record for our new example employee. Thanks for checking this video out and staying on top of new features. We believe having employees should be easy, and nothing makes a task easier like being prepared. So we appreciate your diligence, and we'll continue doing all that we can to assist all of you, all of our partners in this upcoming transition. Thank you for your time.